And now, fans, at this time, we ask that you please rise if you are able for the presentation of the nation's colors, honoring America's 250th anniversary tomorrow. Presenting tonight's colors is the New Bern chapter of the Sons of the American Revolution. And now, fans, we ask that you please remain standing if you're able and remove your hats for the performance of our national anthem, brought to you by Woodman Life, and being sung this evening by Morgan Hudson. Thank you, Morgan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the New Bern chapter will now present a musket volley. Thank you once again to the New Bern chapter of the Sons of the American Revolution.